Well, Meadowhall has just completed its largest transformation since it opened in 1990, investing £60 million in transforming the centre, but including a number of environmental initiatives as well, so a full LED lighting scheme, natural ventilation. But by far the biggest impact that will be had is a photovoltaic installation that has just been completed here at Meadowhall, pretty much covering the whole of the roof space here at Meadowhall, but will reduce our energy consumption by a further 13% on top of what we've already done. So really reducing our carbon footprint even further. SAS ENERGY were highly recommended by SYZYGY as having a proven track record, and they've worked incredibly well together.
We chose SAS ENERGY because of their high levels of expertise on what is a very technically tricky solution at Meadowhall.
The experience that we had on the ground was extremely positive, and we're really happy to move down the route with using SAS ENERGY. But Meadowhall is a really iconic building, both in the region and nationally, and very visible from the M1 of course, and having such an identifiable green initiative on the roof space, we're really proud of that. Meadowhall's won a lot of awards over its years, but this is the most identifiable reminder of those green credentials that the centre has. Well, I did think, given the scale of the installation, that there would be an impact on day-to-day management, but the reality has not been that at all, and it's been very seamless as a whole process and really not impacted upon the centre at all.
SAS ENERGY always delivers a guaranteed installation of the highest quality. They're very tight on project management and communication, which is essential on the scale of projects that we deliver, often on very busy roofs.
In keeping with many large organisations, and of course especially being connected with the FTSE 100 company in the form of British Land, our procurement processes are very robust, as you can imagine. But the big thing for me on the ground really is cultural alignment, and that's what we've very much found with SAS ENERGY and SYZYGY. A real strong customer focus, very professional, that really landed well on the ground with very strong health and safety credentials behind the scenes, which of course is really important as well.